In this video, I'll show you how to get your Fiverr affiliate link. So to do this, there are a few options. The first one is if you just want to do it through your Fiverr account, go to the Fiverr app or fiverr.com. From there, click on your profile picture and click Refer a Friend. And here you will then get your personal referral link, which you can then copy. And by doing this, you can earn up to $500 in Fiverr credits. Now this is not withdrawable. You can only spend it on Fiverr. And you will get up to $100 from each referral. And the person you refer will get a 10% discount off their first order, which is great. However, if you want to join the actual affiliate program where you can withdraw to your bank and stuff like that, then scroll down and there it says, are you looking to become a Fiverr affiliate? Then just go and click on the affiliates program and then you can click join now. And from here, just go and create your account, or if you already have one, you can log in. Now then, after you go and create your Fiverr affiliate account, you can then also get your affiliate link and start sharing that. So now you know how to get your Fiverr affiliate link. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.